In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the list of cards with a specific label in Trello. Navigating your Trello boards efficiently is crucial for effective project management, and being able to filter cards by labels can significantly enhance your workflow. So, let's dive into the details. First, let's explore how you can use the filter function. Filters are incredibly useful when you want to zero in on tasks tagged with specific labels. To start, locate the filter icon at the top right corner of your Trello board interface. This icon resembles a funnel and is quite intuitive once you know what you're looking for. Give it a click. Once you've opened the filter menu, you'll see a variety of options, including filters for labels. Here, you simply select the label you want to filter your cards by. This method helps you quickly sift through myriad tasks and focus just on the ones you need to see, which is particularly handy if your board is loaded with activities. If you're managing multiple projects or teams, you might find yourself using various labels. A good tip here is that you can actually filter in multiple labels at once. By doing this, you can, say, view all cards labeled urgent and in progress together. This functionality lets you see intersections across different segments of your workflow, lending clarity to your immediate priorities. Now, let's look at an alternative method, which involves using the search bar. This method is a quick and efficient way to target specific labels without directly engaging with the filter menus. Look for the search bar, which is prominently positioned at the top of the Trello interface. Here's a neat trick. Type the pound or hash symbol, which is the hashtag, directly into the search bar, followed by the name of the label you are interested in. For example, if you're interested in cards with the label design, you'd type hat design and press enter. Instantly, Trello will filter your board to show only those cards with the design label. Using the search function is quick and versatile, much like a shortcut for your filtering needs. It's great for those times when you know exactly what you're looking for and need to get straight to the point without extra clicks. That's all it takes to use both filters and the search bar to view all the cards with specific labels. Understanding how to filter and search effectively within Trello doesn't just save time. It transforms how you interact with information on your board, making your workflow smoother and more dynamic. Whether you're juggling personal projects or collaborating with a team, these tools provide seamless ways to keep your tasks organized and easily accessible. Thanks for watching, and happy Trelloing.